What is going on, you guys? We're back with another Chico episode. Before we go any further, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, guys. We're trying to get at 50,000 subscribers. We're close and we will soon get there, all because of y'all. Today I'm kind of excited, but I am excited because I'm finally putting some lights under the Highcountry. It's been a long time coming, and we are gonna be doing some rock lights, of course, by your boy. Obviously not me, but El Güero. Boy, Neil finna get down with the rock lights. You know what I'm saying?
Team no shadows.
There you go, no shadows. That's the plan for guys for this truck, is to not have any shadows. And for some reason, we're gonna do 20 for now. And if for some reason we do have shadows, I told Neil we'll go ahead and order 20 more. There'll be a total of 40 rock lights under this thing.
But the other idea may be order 20, 10 on the truck, 10 on the trailer.
Hey, we're gonna have some on the trailer regardless, guys. It's gonna be a whole spaceship once we go to the shows at night or whatever. My boy Neil got everything down to spec. He got custom brackets. We got all the stuff yesterday that we needed. Now I just need to get the rock lights, don't I?
Yep.
Sheesh, my boy done took a fender out.
Boy had a rat nest in his fender.
Made a little fun run. We needed some drill bits. Something I thought I had, but I didn't, unfortunately. So we got some brand new ones. Man, this tab is racking up, man. Well, guys, we have started putting them in. My boy knew the amount of 3. 1, 2, and 3. They look sick. It's gonna be bright, guys. I'm starting to do the side ones and then do the other one, all the fender ones, and then we're gonna wire them. It's going good so far. It's going good. Neil's trying to find a fuse we can tap into, because we did get this little thing right here. We're gonna tap into a fuse versus straight to the battery. This is the way my boy Neil likes to do it. So right now we're trying to find an open slot that has constant power, so even when you turn the key off, the lights can still be on, versus it, you know, you turn the key off and everything cuts off. So right now we're in the process of finding that, so we'll see how it goes. Neil's getting down with the wire now, guys. Sheesh, we got all these rock lights we gotta connect. Like we said, we did do 20 for right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and order 20 more. I'm gonna say screw it. Yeah, we got everything wired through the frame. Wires nice and hidden, you know. Perfect job, as it should be. Yeah, we're gonna get down to it. The best and fun part about everything, huh?
Gotta love it.
We gotta splice each one of these rock lights into the wire all around.
All the way around.
How many have we done so far? 2?
2?
So you gotta
have 5 right here.
So yeah, we got a little whiles to go, but it's getting there, it's getting there.
Slowly but surely.
We're down to the last few rock lights we have to connect right here. We got 1, 2, 3 more, and then I'll be done, huh?
Yep.
How was the experience so far, Neil?
A little hot. That sun's been aggravating today.
Said it's been a while since he's done rock lights or wheel lights or anything, but my boy Neil got it down, man. Like, these wires are crazy. It all looks like factory. He put custom brackets on here. Look at this. They ain't going nowhere. Yo, guys, y'all hit my boy Neil up for your custom LED needs, rock lights, wheel lights, all that stuff. He's got it down packed. So I came out here, y'all. I'm checking on these boys. Y'all see they got these fenders off. I see they've been working. What we got going on?
Working, man.
Neil been working. What you got going on, dude?
I've been working all day.
Ain't that right? Man, so what we got going on? What's the situation? Right now, we're just running the power wire to the switch and light these babies up, make sure everything's working, and then we'll put everything back. Should it work, Neil?
Oh, yeah.
How good of an electrician are you?
I'm a welder. You're the electrician.
Ain't that right? Hey, man, he still getting down with the wire. Hey, that's right. My boy Neil getting it done. Did y'all show him the brackets already on camera? I think I have. You can show him again, though. Nah, did you show him? Show him again, bro. You slacking, bro. Look at these brackets my boy Neil made. Y'all see there's a light. He got them mounted on some nice bracket, guys. Sheesh. Nicely done. How many did you make, Neil?
So I made 6 total, but we ended up using 4, and then we cut 2 of them in half to do them on the front.
Okay then. So this thing done right, huh?
Right. I'm telling you, man, it's gonna be bright.
As of right now, what's all got to get done?
We hooking up power, turning the switch on, making sure all the lights look good, they work good. Put the fender wells in.
Boom, just like that, huh?
Put a fuse in it, you know what I'm saying? Gotta put a fuse in it.
Got to, bro.
Turn them off. How it smell, Neil?
Terrible.
In that truck slut position.
You been bossing Daniel around all day, huh?
Oh, all day. It's been great.
Is you liking it, huh? You been liking that?
Y'all guys, don't work for Neil.
Appreciate that.
Well, it ain't that bad, is
Hold on.
it? What'd you expect? What we doing? What we
Guys,
doing?
this is the first time they're gonna get cut on.
All right, do it, Neil.
If it explodes, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Where we at? Where we at? Lift these up. Sheesh.
They're a little bright. I'll put 20 more on the way.
Yeah, he's got 20 more on the way. So right now he's got how many in here?
Just 20.
20, and he's going 40. So we got 20 more on the way right now. But this is just something to get started. Y'all see, look. Look, something slight. Where they at? Where they at? Oh, there it is. Something slight.
Yep.
Boom. They all on?
Yep. Yo.
Sheesh. Y'all get at us for y'all's rock light needs.
We're definitely putting 20 more.
Oh, yeah.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. For
So,
sure.
so officially it's going to be what, 40?
40 total.
Boom. Heck yeah.
Now
my
it needs to
first
get
build.
darker. I want to see it.
Okay, yeah, I know.
It's crazy because this is my first build that I ever put rock lights on.
What you thinking so far, though?
It's going to be bright. But as of right now, that's why I'm going to get more.
So we're going 40 on this unit. And we're going, how many on the trailer? We're doing that soon.
I don't know how many.
Neil, how many we throwing on the trailer?
I don't know yet. Y'all been talking about 10, 15.
Okay, so
Why not
15.
just
We'll do
20?
15. We'll do 15.
Why not just 20?
Let's do 15 of them and then do 4 of the really bright ones I showed y'all.
I don't
Could do
know.
that.
We're going to get down with it, though.
Oh yeah, coming soon. So we're doing 40 on this one, and then we're gonna do some on that one. We'll do like 15 on that one, whatever. She in the cut, look. So what's in there?
This is all the screws from
Wendy's?
the fender liners.
Look, they went to Wendy's and got that 444. Look, shine some light in there, man. Oh golly,
Yeah.
that's a lot of screws, man.
Just
Look.
for fender liners, bro.
Dang.
crazy.
How many is it? How many you think it is?
I don't know. I didn't count them. I just
Probably
took them
100.
out.
So y'all went to Wendy's and got that 444. They gave you all
Man, we got that 80 for 4.
444 screws.
Old grasshopper looking ass.
Get all of them. Tell them you'll cut the wire right now.
Hillbilly head ass.
Hillbilly. This hillbilly just did all your rock lights.
And got paid.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Always.
He on that shit, man.
All right, all right.
Dang. Throwing these fender liners back in.
It's gonna be a booty. Cause
Is that per?
no, this is just the beginning.
Oh my god.
The whole bag for one fender.
Shut up.
Just about.
Oh.
I like everything about you. Everything about you.
My boy Neil done seen a little bit of the sneak peek. What you think, Neil?
Oh, it looks good.
You think so?
What you think his reaction is gonna be?
I don't know. It's dark right now. Jeez. Okay.
Lit up pretty good.
Oh yeah.
I like everything about you.
Well, that's a big ass difference, don't it?
What?
God.
You like it? You
It's
like
crazy what a little bit of lighting do, bro. Ain't gonna lie.
And you got 20 more
It's
going
been a
on.
minute since I've been in the lighting game, bro. If y'all remember my OG, the extended cab, all I had was wood lights on that one. But my first ever build had rock lights, and man, it's worth it. I see why a lot of people do it.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, guys, we're going 20 more. Don't think this is the final product. This was just a little trial, trial and error, right now.
Oh, yeah.
So we're definitely doing 20 more, so it'll be a total of 40.
Sheesh.
And then we're throwing some on the trailer, so it's gonna be a whole spaceship when we
Oh,
haul
yeah,
them
when
out
we
to
haul, it's gonna be a whole spaceship coming through the way. What you think, Neil?
Oh, yeah, looks good.
guys, y'all see, I finally got rock lights on my truck. First build ever that I got rock lights. And like I said, we're gonna put 20 more. Shout out to my boy Neil for always getting down with the builds and helping me put rock lights on. It looks amazing, guys. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think. But until then, y'all stay tuned to the next episode. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video up. Till then, we out.
Bro, I don't think they liked and subscribed yet.